Alright guys, we're ready to get busy this morning. Kira's inside getting the fire going, getting it warmed up, but it is in the 40s and everything's melting and all the droplets that are falling from the ceiling.
No one else makes me feel this way. Don't know what you do.
But we are taking it slow, trying to at least, because we're still just really exhausted. So what we're going to do today is cut the insulation for the ceiling and try and get that glued up so that we can get all of this styrofoam insulation out of the way. It's kind of really in the way. We don't really have anywhere else to put it, but this will get, quite a bit of that stash pushed down. And I think we're going to start with insulating that end wall with the regular insulation, but I think that's all we're doing today. Oh, you guys, it's like been hard emotionally motivating ourselves to go in there. And then yesterday we did a little bit of cleanup. We had to take a nap. That's how we roll now. All right, let's go inside. Let's cut the first one at 7-9 and see how that fits. That's an inch. And that's an inch. So maybe we'll do it at 7-10.
How many smiles does it take to be happy? How many times do you have to feel lonely before you get the chance to meet someone, before you get to meet someone like you? How many songs can you write about heartbreak? How to go on when you're fed up with mistakes? Maybe I just found the answers. Maybe I just found the answers in you. Come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand, you're all that.
All right, so we're going to do 7 feet, 10 inches.
Okay, if I got you, we don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. All of my scars start to heal when I'm with you, and I can't explain how I feel when I'm with you. Just give a little bit of your heart. Give a little bit of your heart to me. Just come give me all your love. I want you to know we can make it together. Let the wind blow. All we need is each other. Come take my hand. You're all that I have now. I won't let you go, 'cause I found all the answers in you. Ooh, 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 take me away. I'm okay if I got you. We don't have to stay. We can do what we want to. Baby, I just found the answers. Baby, I just found the answers in you.
went. Are you helping at all? Trying to do my side and your side. So the problem that we had with these is it was too tight of a fit, so they popped out. So I think that I do want to take off another inch, and then that's probably going to be exact. It'll be a little bit loose, but we can spray foam down the sides. I'm getting hot, y'all. The sky is falling. The sky is falling. You know it's not going to kill me if it hits my head, don't you? It can actually come down. So that means 7/7 because we cut it at 7/10. So 7/7 should be it. Let's see. Put that down there.
Trial and error.
7/7. Well, I'd rather take off a bunch of little pieces on the first one so we know a perfect fit versus what we think it's gonna be, you know what I mean? Than to take off, oh, let's pull 2 inches off and then it's way too short. And
Yeah.
That's a pain.
And it's a waste.
And it's a waste. So. Kira's got the hiccups. Comment below any homemade things that will get rid of hiccups because this girl gets them bad
All the time.
all the time,
Especially during summer.
which makes no sense.
Because
But
it's not
I
summer.
feel like you've had them really bad all winter long.
I think the sound of that is worse than nails on a chalkboard.
I agree.
Comment below if you agree.
They haven't heard it yet because for the safety of their own ears and my love for them, I've blurted it all out. All right, 6:27. All right, guys, that should give us the 10 pieces that we need for the roof. We're gonna stop because we're tired. It didn't even take much, but at least we got the end done and we've got all this cut. So tomorrow we'll go ahead and glue these up and mark that off the list. So we definitely want to get the rest of all of this stuff, insulation put in these next 2 rooms, and then we can put the pink foam on the rest of that wall because we won't have any windows going on that wall, and that will help just get this stuff out of the way. And then we're going to get back to cutting out our windows. So if you haven't and you've enjoyed following our journey, please make sure that you subscribe, that you hit the bell notification button so that you're notified of everything that we do. And make sure that you check the community page because we definitely post stuff on there and we love to get your feedback. So thanks for following along. Bye.
Bye.
When we wake, hear the birds and see the sun. Side by side our fears are done. Oh, the good times just begun. Oh, we know what we have, let's hold on tight. Found what we're looking for in life. Call us crazy, but things are finally right. With you and I, the future is bright. You and I, we got it. We don't need no more. Even in the hard times, you and I can weather any storm.
So what? I can't think of my
that's good.
brain part. So let's get busy. Let's get busy. 1, 2, 3. All that horseback riding. I sent that in here.
I thought that was a urine sample.
It's supposed to be vanilla candle scent. I can't really smell it though.
That totally looks like something one of my
Yes.
patients would have brought me.
It's a urine sample.
I just had to see.
With a little poop in it.
No, that person obviously has an infection.
Take 2. Try to catch it. 2, 3.